Review of string kit for any photo. The packaging of the kit can be transformed into an easel. The kit has everything you need: instruction, code for the ITArti app, phone holder, 2 spare nails, string holder, string. Assembling the string holder and attach it to the canvas. Assembling the phone holder. Scan the QR code and download the ITArti app. Enter the code from the instruction cover. Upload a photo and generate the instruction. Choose one of the 3 options for the picture and receive the instruction. Insert the end of the string through the special hole. If you have any questions, you can write to us in support. Immerse yourself in meditation with background music or turn it off. You can speed up or slow down the dictation speed. Press play and follow the simple instructions, pulling the string along the dictated numbers.
Red 41, yellow 8, red 47, yellow 19.
The artwork you create will become a great interior decoration and bring you joy again and again.